Hey guys, I'm back again. Just look at the structure all of a sudden. I'm looking at this storm. Looks incredible. The storm gets closer. It's really nice sky going on right now. You can look up and you can still see the sun. You can just see this structure kind of almost like it's wrapping around it. Just looks awesome. It should be a very brief thunderstorm, so it should be a really quick, live stream. But I can look and you can see the storm as it's getting closer. It's just really nice looking. It's got some nice features to it. Perfect view here because the way the road is and the way the buildings are, they're not too tall. It's like this nice view of this thunderstorm coming in. It's really quite something to watch. Most of the time we're always so busy that when a thunderstorm rolls through, you don't always get to experience it. Thunderstorms are very complex structures composed of bases and walls and windows even. You can see that nice dark sky as the center of the storm is just over there. Once it gets over here, I'll be able to show you guys live exactly what a thunderstorm does. Right now I'm looking at basically the base of the storm. Got some nice structure to it. That nice wrapping motion looks like. Most likely it might just be a really quick storm. It looks pretty tiny from radar. But most storms when they're forming, you don't see the storm until it actually starts raining. And radar can only show you so much until the storm actually gets closer to where you're at. Yeah, you can see that nice dark sky over there. Looks like it'll be a pretty interesting storm. Hope you guys stick around to watch it. It should be fun. It's nice if I can keep my hands steady. Wasn't expecting the sky to change so much. Then again, I live in Kansas. The sky's always changing here. Except when there's no frontal boundaries coming through, but right now there's a nice cold front just to our north. It'll be interesting to see the temperature go from 90 to 50 tonight. That'll be quite a temperature change. If you guys didn't know this, I've always wanted to chase and track storms ever since I started watching the Weather Channel, honestly. Now I just do it on my own. It's cool to pan over these clouds and see the structure that's forming. It's just incredible. I'll probably turn it off at the 5-minute mark so I can make sure my phone is fully charged when the storm gets here. So I'll see you guys soon. Well, hopefully we'll have an interesting night of sunsets and storm watching. And I hope you all join me from Manhattan, Kansas. This is Joshua Brickman, J-Man.